Hello, testing, testing. Hello, hello. What button do I click again? Bam. Hello, good morning, or afternoon, evening, wherever you are. I decided to randomly Leetcode today at a really weird time. It's like 11 p.m. for me. I feel like I haven't Leetcoded in a while. All I've been doing is collabs, making dumb apps. Yeah, I feel like I should Leetcode more often. Because as we all know, I basically vibe coded for 8 months straight, haven't written a single line of code for 8 months, and I lost all my skills, and I can't code anymore. Okay, I'm just kidding, by the way. Anyways, I decided to do blind 75 today. I feel like I tried to restart this like a month ago, but it's been a while and I forgot everything. So we're doing blind 75 again. Hopefully I can actually commit to it and, you know, not start over again because I forget everything. All right. Anyways, first question is to-sum. We're going to do this in good old Java. To-sum, given an array of integers nums and an integer target, return indices of the two numbers such that they add up to target. Return indices of the two numbers such that they add up to target. You may assume that each input would have exactly one solution, and you may not use the same element twice. Okay, so example 1, 2, 7, 11, 15, target is 9. I can automatically see that 2 and 7 is a potential answer. I probably don't have to traverse fin more because they say each input would have exactly one solution. Okay. I remember this is a hash map problem. So we would iterate from left to right, and for every number, we would store perhaps, wait, what will we store? Num0 plus num(i) is equal to 9. We return 0, 1. Okay, so we first go to 2. And we're like, okay, we've seen 2. We're going to store it somewhere. Maybe not. Maybe let's do a hash set so far. That represents what numbers we've seen so far. And then we go to 7 and we're like, okay, 7 plus what equals 9? 2. Have we seen 2 before? Yes. Oh, I know why we need a hash map now. We're supposed to return the indices, not the actual numbers. So in the hash map, the key will be the actual number. The value will be its index. Fortuner God says, hello. Oh, hi, Fortuner. Hello. How are you doing? What is up with you? Okay, so we sort 2 mapped to 0, and then we're like, okay, 7. 7 plus what equals 9? 2. Have we seen 2? Yes. What is its index? It's blah. And then we add into the hash map. Yeah, okay. I think I found a solution. So first we need a freaking... Fortune says, I'm doing good. Hey, good to hear. What have you been up to? Maybe let's do a little hash map. Is this how you do hash maps in Java again? Integer, comma, integer? Should we call it scene maybe? Is equal to new hash map. And then we'll iterate from left to right. So 4 int I is equal to 0, while I is less than nums dot length. Is this a function or a parameter? Oh, I wrote it down. It's a parameter. So I++. Let's do a sanity check, bro. Let's just print out everything. Make sure our code even runs in the first place. Let's print out nums I. And then let's return, we're supposed to return a integer array. Let's just return null for now. run this. Fortuner says nothing much, just posted a new video on Wednesday on the Clen Tuner channel. Oh, it's the... I think I've seen it floating around. It's the roasting one, yeah? The one where you roast that poor woman. Well, I don't know. Maybe she deserves it. Yeah, I haven't watched it yet. How's that video doing, by the way? Do you think roasting will be something you do for, I don't know, weeks to come? 2, 7, 11, 15. Okay, we are printing everything out. Cool. Okay. So first things first, we need to figure out what the sort of complement of this number is. So int complement is equal to the target minus the current number, so nums I. Fortuner says, yeah, I promise you it is spicy. It has 62 views. Ooh, that's not bad. And I promise you it is worth it. It is a part of a thing I'm doing called Sunday roasting. Well, you're so early on Sunday roasting. It's not even Sunday yet. Hold my pythons, says Silo. Oh, hey Silo. How you doing? Man, I've been thinking I really want to build my own AI VTuber too from scratch, but I don't want it to be like a regular AI VTuber. I want it to be a VS Code extension, kind of like Cursor, so I can vibe code with it on stream. I think that would be really fun. I don't know what you guys think about that. Good. Wow, so nice. Yeah, I've been kind of holding off on vibe coding on stream, which I do actually a lot off stream, because I feel like vibe coding on stream is kind of boring. I'm just like prompting and just sitting there waiting for it to code. But if it's more interactive, like it's actually it looks like a anime girl who just talks to me back, I think it could be more interesting. So yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Okay, the complement is target minus nums I. So then we search for in the hash of scene if scene dot if it contains key. Totally forgot how Java works. Let me do a quick Google search. Java hash map contains key. Oh yeah, it's whoa. I need a drink of water. Oh, I may have swallowed some. Oh, there we go. Silas says you will first need to have a basic chatbot core foundation, like Naono-sama. What's Naono-sama? Naono-sama. Like Nero-sama? I want it to be like a VS Code extension though. I know I'll probably still have to do like a really basic LLM loop, like most LLM apps, but yeah, we'll see. I'll think about the implementation more when I get there. Okay, so if scene.contains key, the complement, then we return the result as a integer. Oh yeah, wait, I feel like I've done this before. Never mind, maybe not. So we do... Wait, how do I... Is there a convenient way to do a Java integer array literal? Wait, I literally forgot how to do a Java int literal. Is there a one-liner I can do to automatically do this? Oh, okay. Oh, that's convenient, okay. So I can do return the current I, comma, its complement, which is scene.get complement? Is that how you do it? Java, how to return int literal with some numbers. Silo says my model architecture file is alone 500 lines. Dang, boy. Do you really have to do this? That seems so long. Can you do return 1, 2 like that? Nope. Apparently that's illegal, okay. Return new int. This thing, okay. Return new int. And then you can do I, thing.get comp. And then else you return null. Oh yeah, and if you get past this, Fortunate says, well, I just came back to say hi. I got to go to work on my Five Nights at Freddy's mod. See ya. Message me on Discord if you need anything. Oh, thank you. Oh, exciting. Five Nights at Freddy's. Silas says, let me send you a flow chart. You can show it on stream if you want to. Ooh, thank you. Okay, so after we get past this part, we need to actually add our numbers into the scene hash map. So scene.add. Is it add or is it put? Dot put. The current number, which is nums I, and its index, which is I. Okay, run this thing. Semicolon. Man, I keep forgetting my semicolons. It's not FNAF, it's FNF. Oh, Friday Night Funkin'. Sorry. I'm not good with abbreviations. Accepted, let's go. Hey, I'm on top of the world. 98.92%, let's go. This problem is different than how I remembered it for some reason. I thought we could return like a list object, which might make it easier. So, yeah. I also only have some stuff I need to do. I totally just forgot how to return a list literal. I should probably write this down, huh? Wait, how do you even... What are my options if I want to instantiate an empty list literal? Java, how to do empty list literal with 2 spots, I guess. Java, oh, I meant array literal. With size 2. Ah, I see. This is how you do it. So int array is equal to new 2, or you can do new int empty brackets and then literals. Dang, I literally just forgot. I literally just forgot how to do an array literal. So sad. Oh yeah, I should also write down how to do maps, hash maps. I forgot to do that too, hash map. Do I really have to write this problem down for review? 2sum? Sure, let's do 2sum. 1, So hash map is contains key. And then put. Fortuner God says, okay, well, see ya. See ya. Silo says sent. Ooh, let me pull this up. How do I open this in a browser? Copy link. Oh, okay. Open link. I got it. Okay. Config.py, okay. Tokenizer.py. Oh, I see. I mean, I don't see, of course, this entire thing, but so you're proposing that I do. Oh, okay. This might be a little bit more complicated than I was envisioning. I was thinking about doing it in pure ChatGPT, but you're like going really hardcore, huh? You're literally making your own tokenizer, the one that you presented in that episode of the dumbest app thing. Vision encoder, data loader, transformer. What the heck does a transformer do? Trainer, Discord interface, main.py, graph.py. Trainer.py is the training loop validation, LR scheduling, which I have no idea what that is. Yeah, a lot of these are honestly kind of over my head, but yeah, I wanted to do this with a already made LLM, like, I don't know, maybe a llama, which I might be able to, I think you were talking about this, right? I might be able to host a llama locally, or I can do just ChatGPT and accept some latency. Yeah. But yeah, thanks for the picture. 50% of this is like, what the heck am I even looking at? Runs Discord bot. Ooh. Well, pretty cool to see nonetheless. Just use LM Studio for that. Probably. Okay, best time to buy and sell stock. You are given an array of prices where price is I, is the price of a given stock on the ith day. LR is equal to learning rate. Oh, okay. That still kind of means nothing to me. Learning rate scheduling. You can schedule how fast it learns. That's what it tells me. You are given an array of prices where prices I is the price of a given stock on the ith day. You want to maximize your profit by choosing a single day to buy one stock and choosing a different day in the future to sell that stock. Return the max profit you can achieve from this transaction. If you cannot achieve any profit, return 0. I kind of remember this. There's a strategy called hugging the minimum, right? So 7, 1, 5, 3, 6, 4. Output is 5. Wait, what do you output? Return the maximum profit you can achieve from this transaction. Okay. So what you would do is go from left to right and keep track of what the current minimum is. You know, hug the minimum. 7. All right. 1. So the minimum will be 1. 5 minus 1 is 4. 3 minus 1 is 2. 6 minus 1 is 5. 4 minus 1 is 3. So you're like, okay. So I guess there's some things I need to track. One is the current minimum, and another is the current best deal. And I just go from left to right and, you know, subtract stuff. Silas says, yes, that's basically it. Wait, why do you need to control that though? That seems like a really random thing to try to control. Open link. Why would you need to control the learning rate though? Or schedule the learning rate? Seems like a very, I don't know, an intuitive thing to control? Don't you want it to learn at a fast rate always? Why would you want it to learn at a slow rate? As you can see, I'm pretty not great at machine learning. I know nothing. Okay, how do you do infinity again in Java? Java infinity value. So you can do, oh wait, is it like integer.max value? Wow, ChatGPT, you lied to me. There's also this. Did it suggest this too? No, it did not. So max value, okay. So, it's because if the model is learning super slowly. Example, loss 1 is equal to 5 and loss 2 is equal to 4.999, then we speed it up to 543. Oh, so it's faster? Actually, I don't get it. What are those numbers you just typed? Loss 1 equals 5 and loss 2 is equal to 4.999. Then we speed it up to 5, 4.3. And also to prevent explosion of gradients. As in gradient descent. Like you try to climb the hill, that 3D hill. I am so bad at machine learning, holy. It's basically to stabilize the training. Ah, okay. Thanks for explaining to me like if I'm a 5-year-old. Okay, so we need to track the current minimum is equal to integer.max value, max underscore value, integer.max underscore value. Okay, and then the other thing we need to track is int the best deal is equal to integer.min value. So the first thing that pops up will automatically replace it. Next, it's just iteration for int. Ask that to ChatGPT, it will explain better than me. That's probably true. Silo is too smart for me in terms of machine learning. I is equal to 0. Well, I is less than prices dot length I plus plus. Okay. So int the current deal is equal to prices, the current price minus the current min. And if the current deal is greater than the current, wait, I can simplify this line. I can just do best deal is equal to math.max of the current best deal and wait, I'm trying to think. Is this gonna screw me over? If I minus like infinity minus that, I'm gonna get a really negative number, right? Is that what's gonna happen? Probably, right? Probably, right? Okay, I'm just gonna roll with this for now. The best deal, comma, the current deal. And then you update your stuff. So current min is equal to math.min my current min and the current price that I'm on. Price is I. And then we update our, do we update our best deal? I think that's it, right? And then we return what the best deal is. Yay. I have a feeling this is going to be wrong, but we will see. Wrong answer. My output is -1, expected 0. Oh, because there's no... Wait, if you cannot achieve any profit, return 0. Oh. So I could do like math.max, the best deal, or 0. Nice, we got it. This feels kind of like, oh, look at that. We got it, boys. Heck yes. What are the faster people doing? Oh my goodness. El Top Hat says nice. Thank you, El Top Hat. Welcome to the stream, by the way. What are they doing here? If array.length is... Wait a minute, they're hard coding the solutions. Those cheaters. Well, whatever works, right? They're literally hard coding the solutions. What are these people doing? So they're starting for the current buy price is the first one, okay. Profit is 0. Left to right. If price is I is less than buy price, then buy price is equal to... Yeah, they're hugging the minimum. Else, max profit. El Top says, hi Chet, hope you've been well. I am doing well. I don't know when the last time I spoke to you was, but I have a job now. I'm learning to vibe code. I'm learning about LLMs, which is nice. How about you? How are you doing? I hope you're doing well too. Else, max profit is equal to prices. You know, the current price minus the buy price. Yeah, alright. Understandable. Okay, next problem. El Top Hat says, it's been a little bit, but I've been seeing the coding competitions you do. Oh, the dumbest app competition? Oh, thank you. Have you been enjoying them? I've personally been really enjoying them behind the scenes. Yeah, I've always really enjoyed making dumb apps. When I was in high school... Oh, thank you. Do you prefer the dumb app competitions or Leetcoding? Leetcoding is like easier to do frequently. Dumb apps is like fun, but I need like to do stuff behind the scenes, put a little more work into it in order to like, you know, make the apps, set up the collab. Yeah. Yeah, I've always really liked making dumb apps, like dumb goofy apps. When I was in high school, I made an app that if you throw your phone on the ground, it tells you how hard you threw it, like how hard the impact was on the ground, using the phone's gyroscope. So you can have like a multiplayer experience, multiplayer game, where you see who can throw their phone on the ground the hardest without breaking it. I actually posted it on the App Store, and it erases everything. Oh, El Top Hat says, dude, the app that erases everything was hella funny. It was Silo. Silo made it, and he commented right above you. Yeah. Silo's right there, look. I don't know if you can see the chat here. Silo's right there. Whoop. Right between your two messages. Silo! He's the one who made the deleting the PC Crasher app. Yeah, Silo's crazy. He's currently making an AI VTuber too. Okay, contains duplicate. Next one. Given an integer array nums. Silo says, using gyroscope and delta time to calculate the impact speed. No, I actually did a really naive solution. I just, you know, if the gyroscope reading like spikes above a certain threshold, then that's what I read. It honestly didn't really work. Because you can just like tap the phone against your hand and it would register a reading too. I think in hindsight, what I should have done is I should have like, you know, gravitational acceleration is like 9.8, is it meters per second? Gravity acceleration 9.8 meters per second squared. Fortunate God says rip Windows. Silo says, sir, that's cheating. Wait, what's cheating? What happened? But yeah, I think what I should have done if I were to make it today is either just make sure the phone is actually free falling by, making sure the gyroscope acceleration is like 9.8 meters per second. Something like that. Or to prevent, I don't know, I suck at machine learning, but maybe this would be a good application for machine learning. It could take a sequence of numbers and determine if it's actually a true drop rather than someone just hitting the phone in their hand. Let's see, what else have I made? I made cooking AR apps before, like augmented reality cooking apps. It's literally just a table, just a carrot that would appear on any flat surface, and you have a knife that's attached to your phone. You can cut the carrot, except you can only cut the carrot in one place because I sucked at physics. Wow, Silo, you're so smart. The formula for impulse is impulse equals force times time, interval, or J is equal to F delta T. Very cool. Given an integer array nums, return true if any value appears at least twice in the array. Return false if every element is distinct. This is just hash set, isn't it? You just go through, store everything in the hash set. If I've seen the current number, if the current number already exists in the hash set, then return false. No, then return true. Else, if you get through the entire array, then return false. These are some fancy questions, lol. Are you being sarcastic? Yeah, I'm starting with easy questions now. Had to study this stuff in class 12th, was miserable. Oh, you mean the impulse thing? Class 12. Well, oh yeah. You just had an exam, right? You said you had a 90% chance of getting 50-50. Or was it a 50-50 chance of getting 90%? I forgot. I'm sure you'll do well. Okay, hash set. L Tophead says, no, I'm being dead serious. Really? Oh. Maybe it's because I've done this problem in the past before, so I think it's not too bad. But yeah, some Leetcode problems, even the easy or medium ones, are pretty dang difficult if you just do them the first time. 90% chance of full marks. Dang, why is Silas so smart? Aman Gupta says, how can I do this kind of thing with a character? How can I do this kind of thing with a character? Oh, the VTuber model? So what I did was I 3D modeled the VTuber model in Blender. I rigged it in Unity. And then I brought it into VC Face. Silo says you need VTube Studio. Yeah, that's the more convenient method if you don't want like a very custom one. I wanted like a very specific look to my model, so that's why I took this route. Yeah. How to make 3D VTuber. Which one was the tutorial I followed? Oh, this one. This tutorial series by Mako Ray was the tutorial series I followed. You could try this if you wanted to. But yeah, like Silas says, maybe you could just try VTube Studio if you just want a very generic looking one or a regular looking one. I wanted mine to be like... Should I tell you what my model was inspired from? Hell's Paradise. What was he called? Gabimaru? I wanted my character to look like Gabimaru. This dude. And also a combination of Chibi Crony from Hololive. So this person morphed with Chibi Crony with the deadpan eyes. Where's Chibi Crony? Oh, here. Yeah. You can totally see the inspiration, right? So Gabimaru mixed with Chibi Crony. That's what I was going for. Oh, Top Hat says, boo, I loved Hell's Paradise. Hey. I remember, I think I watched I think I stopped halfway through Hell's Paradise. And then, for whatever reason, I think I got more interest in another show. Silo says, I was also trying to make VTube Studio on Unity, so it's more optimized for a laptop. Dang, that's so hardcore. Dude, Silo's always doing such hardcore stuff. Silo is so smart. But yeah, I think you can see the eyes from here and the proportions, the body proportions from Chibi Crony on Me, and then the hairstyle but simplified from Gabimaru. Yeah. Okay, anyways, hash set, right? Hash set. The hash set will contain an integer. We'll call it scene because it's what we've seen. Is equal to new hash set. I predict we don't need a lot of lines of code for this, so I'll just zoom in so y'all can see better. And then we'll go from left to right, so for int I is equal to 0, I is less than nums.length I plus plus. So if my current scene collection dot contains, how do you check for hash that contains? Java hash set contains, is it just contains? Okay, it just contains. I'm gonna have to mark that function for review. So if scene.contains the current number, so nums I, then you return true because it contains the duplicate. Else, if you make it to the end, return false. Run that thing. What? Oh no. Oh, I know it's wrong. I never add anything to the hash set. No. Scene.add nums I. There we freaking go, submit. Hey, I'm on top of the world. Okay, so clearly I forgot how to do hash sets. Hash set. So the function is called contains. Let me write that down. Contains. Okay, this wasn't bad. What are the fast people doing? Let's see what these people are doing. Hash set, okay. For int, what is this notation? Int I guess, okay. If not set.add I, return true. Return false. What does set.add do? Wait, does set.add return something? Java hash set add. Let me check the documentation. It returns a Boolean value. The add method returns true if the element was successfully added, meaning it was unique and not already present. Oh. That's a hack. So it returns true if success. Oh, that's kind of hacky. Okay. So we're adding it and we're checking at the same time. I see. That's kind of hacky. So in my code, I could do like, if not scene.add nums I, return true, and submit this. Submit. Wow, look, I moved up higher. Yeah, this is kind of hacky, isn't it? Aman Gupta says you are also a front-end engineer. Wait, who are you talking to? Me? How would you decipher that? Silo says, search up Brain F programming language. Brain programming language. What is this? It's a real programming language? Known for its extreme minimalism. Then why is it called Brain F? That has to be sarcasm, right? Created in 1993. It feels like such a modern name. Like, why would they name it such a meme-ish name? Designed to be extremely minimalistic, the language consists of only 8 simple commands. Really? Data pointer and instruction pointer. Can I see some example code? Oh my, no. That's how you do it? Look into its images. No. No. Oh, please, no. What is this? No. My head hurts just looking at this. What does it even look like? It looks like someone is trying to draw stick figures with the keyboard. You know how it can do like, oh, this thing, this thing, except it's all disfigured. Why would you do this to yourself? That's why it's called what it's called. Yeah. Oh my goodness. What a brain F indeed. Amanguda says you're also a front-end engineer? Wait, I'm still so confused on what that comment means. What do you mean by front-end engineer? It's true though, on my job I get to work on front-end stuff. I get to work on React and yeah, React stuff. I get to type in TypeScript, which I have no idea how to type. So I just vibe code the entire time. Alright, so I am new here. Oh, well, welcome to my channel if you're new here. Welcome. Alright, so to summarize today's problems, I relearned how to use a hash set and a hash map. I also relearned how to type array literals. Overall, wasn't that bad. So yeah, we did the first 3 problems of line 75. So far, not too bad. I'm definitely going to skip the binary questions. Dynamic programming questions, I'm definitely going to try. I feel like dynamic programming is always kind of fun. Graph, probably going to do it. Interval, linked list, string. Well, yeah, there's a lot of Indian people here at this time. I think Fortuner was just here. He's Indian too. Silo, Aman. What time is it now in India? Is it like India time now? A lot of my coworkers are from India too. Oh, it's like lunchtime. I see. Kind of makes sense, I guess. So Silo might be in his dorm. Aman, I don't know how old Aman is. Are you like watching me at work or something? Is this okay? Or are you also a student and you're like, well, yeah, shouldn't you guys be in... Well, Silo's in college, right? So his schedule's kind of flexible. I can't imagine people in school watching me now. Like, why would you pull up this video at lunchtime when you could be talking to other people? Oh, I don't know. Maybe it's like... Yeah, I don't know how kids do it these days. Do kids do like a hybrid school system where you live? Do they have to like go to school some days and then stay at home other days? Silo says, well, that reminds me, time for lunch. Skip breakfast, mess should be open. Oh, the mess hall? Ooh, well, have a good lunch. I'm gonna hop off for now too. We did 3 Leetcode problems, yay, and it wasn't that bad. Ironically, 2-sum was the hardest one. Because I forgot to do array literals, goddamn. Okay, thanks everyone for coming then. Bye. See you sometime. Maybe I'll do this again on Wednesday. Yeah. Bye, guys. Have a good day. I'm gonna go to sleep. It's like 12 a.m. See ya. Where did my end stream go? Oh, there it is. Bye. Salo says, in India, we go to school. No phones allowed in schools. College are different. Ah, I see. Bye.